Hello and welcome back to Ecoscope. Today we're diving into the evolving landscape of the Russia-Ukraine war, from the latest battlefield developments to intense diplomatic negotiations. Let's get started. Fighting continues across Ukraine. Recent strikes involved over 574 drones and 40 missiles, one of the most intense assaults yet. While Ukrainian air defenses intercepted most, a number of civilians were killed or injured. According to recent estimates, around 19% of Ukraine's territory, over 114,000 square kilometers, remains under Russian occupation, with Russian forces advancing 7% in the past month. On the front lines, Russian forces have continued territorial gains, particularly in the Donetsk region's Dobropilya area. An American-owned facility in Zakarpattia also suffered damage in recent attacks. On the diplomatic front, significant efforts are underway. In Alaska, President Trump met with President Putin, reportedly discussing peace. But the terms heavily favored Moscow, demands for Ukraine to give up the Donbas region in exchange for a ceasefire. Then, a high-stakes meeting took place in Washington. Zelensky, Trump, and top European leaders gathered in the Oval Office and East Room. Meanwhile, NATO defense chiefs held virtual discussions about providing stronger security guarantees for Ukraine, though without deploying U.S. troops. The EU's foreign policy chief, Kaja Kallas, warned that Putin may be attempting a diplomatic trap by setting aggressive conditions that threaten Ukraine's sovereignty. A proposed coalition of the willing remains in the works, while Russia insists on veto power over any foreign involvement. Russia's foreign minister, Sergei Lavrov, stated firmly that no meeting between Putin and Zelensky would occur until an agreed agenda is in place. Russia has also pushed back on Western security guarantees, describing European deployments as unacceptable foreign intervention, indicating the deep divisions remain unresolved. Meanwhile, military operations continue on multiple fronts. In summary, while diplomatic conversations are intensifying, with summits in Alaska and Washington, NATO dialogues, and European unity, on-the-ground conflict persists. Ukraine demands credible security guarantees and rejects ceding territory. The diplomatic road ahead remains fragile, with breakthroughs elusive as long as mistrust and asymmetric demands continue.